Well, the wind's still blowing out here today, but I'm glad I brought that bean bale out here for the cows. As you can see, they've moved it around and they were bedding down in that last night. What I did with that is I tipped it over on its side, and then I cut the twine off. And then if you watch the previous video, I used part of that bale to get in here to the barn for the calves. I basically pitched it from that bale to right there, and then in the video, when I was getting the pitchfork, I was just grabbing it from this spot right here. Yeah, there's Rodeo, which one of these days I'll have to tell the story of how she got her name. Tracy said that'd be an interesting one. Yeah, big old drift there. And the wind is still blowing, as I'm sure you can hear. As always, take care.